the secret to treating a cat with a cough. First of all, it is necessary to provide adequate nutrition and drinking water. Make sure their place is always clean. Clean the cat's nose regularly. It is recommended to clean the nose every 1 to 2 days. It is best to use a cotton swab soaked in warm water to wipe the nose. Use the drug only as directed and diagnosed by a specialist. To ensure the health and safety of sick cats, it is best to take them to veterinary facilities for medical examination and treatment. In order to take care of cats with coughs, they should go to the most prestigious treatment addresses such as veterinary hospitals.